Hello, welcome to this checkmate 2 chess puzzle. You can see that black has the king, a knight and 4 pawns. White has the king, single pawn, 2 rooks, 2 knights, the queen and the bishop. It's white's turn to play, and can you see the checkmate in 2? If you move the knight to e3, the king can escape to g6, then follow up moves with the bishop, and then the rook only gives you a checkmate in 3, but not 2. If you move the bishop to f7, if black then promotes the pawn to a queen, you can actually get a checkmate in 2 with the knight. But if black promotes to a knight, this prevents that, and then you can move him with the queen, but only get a checkmate in 3 because it can be blocked by the pawn. If you move the rook to g7, it's a similar checkmate in 3 by black promoting to a knight, and then the queen moving in to checkmate in 3, but not 2. If you check the king with the rook to e5 move, if black takes it with the pawn, you can actually get a checkmate in 2. But if the king escapes to g6, then you can only get a checkmate in 3 by following up with the rook, and the pawn is pinned, and then the queen. Okay, let's take a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. So what you actually need to do to checkmate in 2 is move the queen to g1. Black promotes the d-pawn to something, you can move the queen to g4 to checkmate in 2. If black pushes the pawn to d6, you can checkmate in 2 with the bishop to e6, or you can move the knight to e3, or you can just move the queen to g4 to checkmate the king in 2. Finally, if black pushes the pawn to d5, you can checkmate with the knight to e3, or stick with the original plan and moving the queen to g4. Okay, that's it in this video. Please like and subscribe, it will really help out the channel, and I'll see you again soon.